Hey guys, today's meal is inspired by Eat Clean Bro's very own Crack. If you know, you know. And if not, go check him out. First, start by cooking your shredded chicken. Nothing to it. Then, get your pasta going. While that's going on, you can make a simple barbecue sauce. Then you're going to be chopping up your broccoli. Once your broccoli's chopped up, you're going to throw it into your pasta. Let it cook for a minute. Drain it, make your cheese sauce. I already had one made beforehand. Mix it up, drop it in a pan. Chicken's done, drain it, toss it in with your barbecue sauce. Just throw it in the oven, and you're done. And now, time to go enjoy a cold beer. Cheers.